Hey friends, if Windows 11 Start menu is not working on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. Now, here's what you have to do. Search for Task Manager in the Windows search bar and open the Task Manager. Wait for it to load. Right click on Windows Explorer and select Restart. If you don't find this option, then scroll and try to find it in the background processes list. If that doesn't help, then you can perform an SFC scan. So search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator. Type the command sfc /scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.